Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tarot with Chiva. So ngayon naman po babasahan natin lahat ng signs. Pero unahin natin ang first house which is si Aries. Susundan po natin ang second house na which is si Taurus. And then hanggang matapos po tayo kay Pisces which is sa 12th house po natin. So this is Sun, Moon, and Venus as well as rising placement. So babasahan ko po si Aries ng kanyang love, career, and finance, no? So, only takes what resonate, and if it's not resonate with you po, it's for someone else. So, this is weekly reading for March 16 to 22. Mercury retrograde nga po pala, no? Kaya sa bahay ni Gemini, so which is the ruling planet of Gemini po si Mercury, no? Ito po yung energy na may mga mararamdaman tayo or mas malakas yung communicative energy natin, no, sa ibang tao. And also, understanding of others' feelings to free yourself from negativity, which is napakaganda yung energy na to sa atin ni Mercury. So, alright, let's move to our Aries o Aries. Alright, so titignan natin yung love, career, and finance. For Aries, please. Aries, please. Aries, please. Okay. Alright. Wow. Sa iyong love, you have the lover. And then sa iyong career, you have the 8 of cups. And sa iyong finance, you have the 2 of Wands, no? Alright, sa iyong love, which is, eto na, no? Maganda yung love, stable naman ang iyong love, no? Based sa nakikita ko dito at nararamdaman ko, Aries, sa iyong love, is, meron kang clarity Meron kang leadership when it comes to your love and relationship. Meron kang clarity, naiintindihan mo yung situation mo sa iyong love. Hindi mo pinapayagang ito ang makaistorbo sa mga gusto mong gawin, which is napakaganda to sa'yo, Aries, no? Ito yung nakikita at nararamdaman ko sa iyong card. And also sa iyo namang career, kung makikita mo dito, no? 8 of Cups, parang umaalis siya, no? Hanap pa siya ng ibang mas makakapag build up sa kanya. So, dito nakikita at nararamdaman ko dito sa card mo na to, Aries, no, na hindi mo kinakailangang umalis. Siguro mas maganda is yung mga bagay na nandiyan na sa iyo, Aries, no, nandiyan na sa iyo, i-level up mo na lang, i-upgrade mo na lang. Whether yung mga bagay, yung mga bagay sa iyong career, or i-level up mo yung sarili mo, no? Mas maganda kung kasi hindi naman ito laging kailangan mong umalis, alisin lahat para humanap ng ibang opportunities. Kung meron ka naman nandiyan na mga opportunities, no? Maybe siguro i-upgrade mo na lang siguro yung sarili mo, no? Yan yung nakikita ko sa card na ito ngayon sa iyong reading. And sa iyo namang finance, no, makikita naman natin, yun nga, no, marami kang plano. Makikita mo sa kanya, hawak niya yung bola or earth, no, and then may dalawa siyang wands, which is fire to fire card to. So, may mga pinaplano ka, marami kang plano, marami kang gustong gawin, no? At maganda rin at you're taking your time, hindi ka nagmamadali, no? Sa yung, when it comes to your finances. Pero marami kang iniisip. Katulad nga ng sabi ko kanina sa iyo sa career, no? Hindi mo kailangan iwanan lahat or palitan lahat. Kung nandyan naman na sila, nakatayo naman sila, nandyan naman sila, stable naman sila. Siguro mas maganda is yung mag-upgrade ka ng iyong, you can study, no? Pwede ka naman ulit mag-aral or mag-training ka, no? Or mag-online course ka, no? Na maaaring mas magpa-level up pa sa kung anong meron ka ngayon, no? Na gusto mo pang mas may bago ka na gawin, no, sa iyong career. No, but we will still clarify them. But your love looks good naman, Aries. It looks good, but we will still clarify these cards. So first, let me clarify the lovers for our Aries. So love for Aries, please. Love for Aries. Okay. So you have the Ace of Swords. Wow, the King of Wands and the Tower. So it looks like, no, nagkaroon ka ng transformation o transformative situation noon, no? Maybe nagkaroon ka ng medyo distraction when it comes to love. Nagkaroon ka ng trauma, may mga sudden changes ka sa love, no? But looks like na nagkaroon ka naman ng clarity because of your Ace of Swords, no? Nagkaroon ka ng, nakita mo yung totoo, yung truth, no? Nagkaroon ka ng breakthrough when it comes to love. And also, ito yung nagpabigay sa'yo ng victory or leadership, no? Na parang ikaw ang magkocontrol. You are taking control of your love life. Ikaw yung nagdidesisyon sa love life mo, no? Naglalagay ka ng boundaries para sa iyong love life, and you are giving more vision sa iyong love life, which is napakaganda. This is air sign as well. You have air sign, fire sign, and fire sign, which is the Tower and the King of Wands are fire sign. Like you, Aries, you are fire sign. So, napakaganda. And let me clarify naman ang iyong 8 of Cups for our Aries. You have the Hermit, yeah. So, okay. For Aries career. Alright, so you have the Hermit, the Queen of Swords, and you have the Page of Swords. Wow, 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 wow. Sa iyong career, you need to, like sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan mong at least mag-upgrade na lang, mag-level up ka na lang sa iyong sarili, no? Kumbaga, let me say na I think, ayoko namang sabihin kung anong gusto mong gawin, pero mas maganda kung mag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo, no? Because you have the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords is about learning and communication when it comes to career, kasi it's a Page of Swords. And also, this is about authority and leadership, no? Para mas makuha mo talaga yung leadership na gusto mo talaga, dahil Aries is one of the leader din sa mga zodiac signs natin. And of course, analyzing, researching, no? Pwedeng researching sa sarili mo, mag-self-reflection ka, ganon. Or mag-research ka kung ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat sa'yo at para sa'yo, no? Yes. And maganda dahil talagang is about pagiging independent and practical, no? Pagiging fair and constructive when it comes to career. And of course, yung kailangan mo ng communication, maging chatty ka, maging curious ka sa mga bagay para talagang makuha mo kung ano yung gusto mo pa, para hindi ka na umalis at humana pa ng iba at magre-restart ka na naman kung nandyan naman sila, no? Maganda yung iyong career, no? For this period of time ng ating reading. Alright, so let me clarify naman ang iyong 2 of Wands for our Aries. And then, bibigyan kita ng advice, no? Wow. Sa iyong finance, no? Yung mga planning mo, no? Ayan, gusto mo ng financial legacy, no? Gusto mo ng new opportunities, gusto mo ng mas nagma-manifest ka kasi meron kang magician, no? And meron kang more opportunities na gustong dumating sa'yo. Which is napakaganda, no? Si Fool kasi is to finance, career, love, no? And then you have the 10 of Pentacles, no? Sa career kasi si 10 of Pentacles is about financial legacy, no? Napakaganda ng card na to para sa'yo. Kung ito yung talagang gusto mong gawin, no? Napakaganda nitong tatlong cards na na-clarify natin dito kay 2 of Wands, no? Napakaganda, Aries. And I hope na talagang ma-manifest mo to lahat ito. Itong mga gusto mo. So, let me give you advice, no? Bigyan kita ng advice for your... Okay. Bigyan kita ng advice for this reading. Okay. Angel Spirit Guide, can you give me advice for our Aries for this reading, please? Advice for this reading, please. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so you have the Page of Wands, the World, and the reverse of Eight of Swords, and the Moon. Okay, so advice, no? Yun nga, try to take a risk when it comes to everything in your everything sa iyong situation, no? Be passionate sa mga iyong plano. And yes, be creative lang din daw because you have the Page of Wands. In the World is about a long-term project, no? Mag-isip ka ng pang long-term project mo, period of studies, mag-aral ka, relationship sa career, relationship sa love, no? Dahil it has full circle na sa'yo eh. Kumbaga, you already outcome, no? Lahat ng mga ano mo. Ang gagawin mo na lang ngayon is magsisimula ka na lang within yourself, within any ano ng situation mo, no, magsisimula ka na lang. Dahil natapos na yung parang circle mo eh. Yung cycle mo natapos na. So, napakaganda nito. And then you have also the Eight of Swords, which is in reverse, which is nito is open to change, no? Magkaroon ka ng, maging open ka sa pagbabago, no? And self-reflection nga, tulad nga ng sabi natin kanina. And also, may mga hiding enemies, dangers, man yan na pagdaanan mo, no? But always think that itong mga fear na ganito, yung mga takot na ganito is magbibigay lang sa future mo ng hindi magandang outcome. So, you know, sometimes when you are projecting fear into your present and your future based on your past experiences, you may have a painful memory that cause emotional distress. No? And rather than dealing with the emotion, you push them down deep into your subconscious, sabi daw, no? So, hindi talaga maganda kung dadalihin pa natin to, no? So, napakagandang advice sa'yo for Aries, and I hope you like your reading for this week, and see you in my next video.